Hello everyone, I'm Danny Ivan and I'm going to be doing a video about how I style my beard. I just got out of the shower, so this is going to be a video of how I go through my routine after I shower, after I wash my beard, and it's just like everywhere, how I straighten it. So, take it for what it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video. What you will need is, of course, a styling brush, comb, and a hair dryer. Of course, you're also going to need either beard balm or beard oil, one of the two. I normally do like beard oil one day and the next 2 days beard balm, and then a routine like that. It's up to you, your preference really. So let me go ahead and start off with this styling brush. And what I like to do is have the hair come out as much as possible against the grain. Point is that it needs to look as ridiculous as possible. You see here, this is what's called flex the beard. I've heard that term somewhere. I don't know if it's an official term, but bring it out. Okay, so this looks good. Now, I'm going to take this blow dryer, point it down, and then I'm going to roll this downwards slowly. That's what I'm going to do, slowly. What I like to do is that with the blow dryer, speed on low, and between warm or hot, warm if I'm just want to maintain what I've had so far, or hot if I need to train my beard still. Here in my chin area, I still need to train it, so I'm going to put it on hot. Alright, so let's get this going. Start off here in the corners of my hair. Like, that's just a personal preference, just my style. Now the beard. Again, slow. Down, easy and straight. I don't worry about the under the jawline. No one can really tell what's under the jawline. I used to worry about it, but now I don't. Going down this way. Again, slow. Take your time with this, no rush. I do like to go through it again with a comb. It's just slow. Take your time. Let the hairs go between these bristles of the comb. My personal preference, I like under here. I just kind of like to, bring it closer to the chin. Here straight. And then here, just kind of a little closer to the chin. Not too much, just a little bit. Here. Slow. It takes a little used to getting with the hot. The hot air can be a little irritating when you first start. But you get used to it. And then right here, I like to do the short bristle part. It's normally for the mustache, but I need it for this upper chin, right underneath the lower lip. Okay. That looks actually really good. This is actually much better than I anticipated. Alright, so I'm going to use Beard Balm for this. You just want to get, just enough to cover the tip of the finger, and then bring it in like that. Now don't push too hard on the beard, just glide it down. Try to get those little frays out. It's impossible to get every fray. That's just how beards are. They're different from the top of your head. But you don't want your beard to be completely neat like up here. You want your beard to still be rugged. Cleaned up, but rugged, if that makes sense. You don't want the whole homeless style, like you don't take care of it at all. You want to show that you take care of it, but you don't want it to be completely neat. Alright, and I like to, like I said, a little push, just keep a little emphasis on the chin, and my excess right here. Put it right here. Okay. Now, to finish off, I'm still going to use the comb again, but with the blow dryer, I'm going to put it on cool. And this type of blow dryer has like this cold shock that really just helps put the hair in place where it needs to be. It helps train it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So here, this is just a personal preference with my hair, how I like to do this. So if you want to copy it, that's cool, let me know. Just for a few seconds. So I'll hold the button down. And then just outside layers, just the frays, just nothing too crazy, just a little like that, just not going in the beard, just barely outside. Check down those, the little frays are out there. Just barely in there. That, way better than I anticipated. Yeah, that actually looks really good. Alright guys, so that's how I style my beard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please put them in the comment section. This is my first video on my beard. I've been getting a lot of compliments about my beard, so I figured, hey, why not just let everyone know my secret. It's now out there. This is my first video, so I hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys click that like button and get the momentum going for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Again, comment on anything you want to hear back from me. Take care.